Welcome to my channel. So, my edges are all gone. There. So I've decided that I'm gonna use my aloe vera. And all I did was cut them small. See? Cut them small pieces. And this here is my friend. And all I did just comb it out. And I see hair flying all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna part it in 4 sections. Don't wash away with my comb. I don't really like tail combs. I just part my hair in 4 sections. I usually have my clip, but I don't have one right now. So it doesn't even matter how it's parted. Oh, I have a lot of hair growth. Ooh, I have a lot of hair growth in the middle part of my head. It's itchy me. But every time I comb my hair, see how dirty it is? And I'm just gonna trim. I'm gonna plait this side small. Ooh, honey. My hair is coming back. Yeah. What? And then I part it. See, I'm just used to, when I use these kind of comb in Jamaica, we just use the actual Jamaican comb. I just can't find my comb. I just can't find my comb. Alright, I just decided I'll use the tradition, this one. Then, I make sure I part them in sections. I'm gonna plait this out of the way. See? I have very fine ends, so I don't really plait out my hair. Now the back part. Just part it in small sections. And I'm gonna use this to steam my hair, this one. Conditioner. It's just a cheap conditioner that I got from the dollar store. And I'll show you how I do. I'm just gonna do probably 1 section of my hair. So please don't mind. I do speed up this section just because the video is a little bit too long and I just gotta speed it up, okay? But all I'm doing here is just part my hair in sections, put the aloe vera in section by section, and then at the end I will also put the conditioner and the argan oil, which is a great conditioner and a great shampoo. That's what I'm putting in at the end, and I'm also rubbing the aloe vera on my face because aloe vera is good for the body inside and out. I don't like the smell of it. I don't like the scent, and I don't like the taste. I definitely don't like the taste of the aloe vera, but it is also good for the body inside and out. The aloe vera tightens your skin. It helps with anti-aging in the skin, and also whatever you do to your face, you've got to do it to your neck as well. So I do it by sections. Again, I part it and I rub the piece of aloe vera that I have, and I have it in by section. No, I don't like the scent of it. It's not too bad, but it helps my hair. It strengthens the hair. Things are good for us. I'm always dancing to music. I got music playing in my head. So, and that's all there is to it, actually. And then I'm gonna do the next step process. Okay, so now I've got this all covered. Now I got that. Yeah, it itches me. Now I got it all covered. I'm going to back to Jamaica, Miss Matty. Hey, who from Jamaica used to rock this stuff? When you wash your hair, you have no problem with your hair sticking out. Listen, I'm unashamed. I know I used to. And then I'll make sure the entire hair is covered. I'll do the front part so you can see, and then I'll go off camera and do the rest. See? And this is what steams the hair. Make sure you rub it from here to the root. And then I'll just plait it. Usually twist it, but I'll plait it 'cause I usually twist it and then you have the clip to hold it, but I don't have my clip today, so I'll plait it and I'll push it on there like that and just leave it. Let me do the front part. Can you see what I'm talking about? Maybe the front will be easier to see. There. You know, I have to comb it out, but I just usually do. So I'll just take a new piece. And we'll wake it up from the bottom. You don't have to, but I just feel like there's a whole lot more in there. See? There's a whole lot more in there. See that? There's a whole lot more in there. I still think that this has potential. So for my last aloe vera treatment, I pulled out my hair. I lost a lot of my hair. This is the amount of hair that came out. Bye-bye. I think it's dead here. I don't know. So back to our treatment. I don't like the scent of it, but I get used to it. And each time I go, I sink my nails into it. See? Make sure you get the root right at the root and my problem area right there as well. Okay, that's finished. And get another piece. Maybe one day I'll get my sister to do the hot oil treatment on here. And again, I don't know what's going on with my boys out here. I don't like the taste of it at all. Oh, but it's good for you anyways. I don't like it. So I'm going to take the same piece and soak it through. That's all I'm doing. After you put it in your hair, make sure not to put it in your face. bobbed it. And then you take your conditioner. Soothing therapy. Wow. I want some more. Don't have to, but I want some more. Yes, once again, I did speed up the video, but all I'm doing is putting the conditioner in and I am massaging it through. I did go back and rub a little in the back part of my hair. And the same thing to this side, right to that side.